Good morning, and how you doing today? I'm James, the owner of Premier Window Cleaning, PremierWindowCleaning.com, where we offer a $500 streak-free guarantee, which means we will leave your windows streak-free. We'll walk you around your home, make sure we check every window, just to make sure that they're up to standard before you make a payment. Today I'm making a video concerning hard water stain removal. A lot of homes that we go to, especially around the lake, or homes that have sprinkler heads around and pointed towards their windows, businesses the same way. I just wanted to explain the cost of hard water stain removal, and then also what it takes to actually remove the stain, because I know just like I did earlier, I was looking over a website and it just began to tell you about hard water stains, removing the scale deposits, how to remove them, what chemicals to use. And we learn this from homeowners. A lot of times, because homeowners say, can you get the stain out the bottom of the window? Or they wonder where the stain came from once the windows are clean, because you couldn't notice the stain until, and then, a lot of times you think it just comes off with window cleaning when it actually doesn't. So a lot of times what we do is just incorporate simple hard water stain removal, where you just may have a little bit across the bottom of the window or in the corner of the window. We'll just try to get those stains off without adding additional cost. But sometimes, just sometimes, you may have windows that are covered completely with hard water stains. And a few products we know that customers try to use is like Lime Away, things of that nature, to get stains off. And then one that I have here that I know that I tried in the beginning of hard water stain removal is Barkeeper's Friend. I found that online. I googled one day and it was like, oh yeah, and it comes in the powder form and spray. So I think I went to like Lowe's or Walmart and I bought like all of them, because we were doing a commercial building where I promised the customer, like, yeah, we can get the hard water stains off. And that's because I took off some light hard water stains at home. And what I'm going to do is show you some pictures. But what I had to go and do was do some research. So after I went home after a hard day's struggle, like, man, I told the customer it would take us 5 days to clean the building. It actually took us about 7. So anyway, we did get it done, but I had to go back and do some research after Barkeeper's Friend was only cleaning the frames. It wasn't cleaning the glass. I have to laugh at that now, because, man, like, you learn through the process, you learn through the struggle. And so as I did some research, I found, I can't tell you exactly what it is, but I found, this comes as a whole package deal. You get this, you get this cleaner, and then you also have to order pads. And it's about, for each step, there's about 4 pads depending on how bad the calcium buildup is on the window, and whether it's baked in by the sun and all those things. So anyway, there's a pad that's a rougher type steel wool type pad. Instead of it coming this way, it actually comes at a pad with a backing on it where it sticks to this. So each pad actually will stick to this, and you get the pads in 5-inch and I believe 7-inch pads, just depending on the size disc that you have. Also, you have a buffing pad, polishing pad. You have a softer coarse pad that's to remove lighter stains. It just depends on it, but it takes about 3 to 4 pads. Each pad costs between $5 to $7 per pad, which makes your typical hard water stain job about $30 per window. A lot of times customers aren't really open to that cost, so we adjust it for residential more. We try to keep it there for commercial at that cost, about $30 per window. Now, with that being said, I just wanted to let you guys know what the cost really is, and if you're gonna do a good job at getting it done, compared to window replacement in your home. Window replacement in your home runs per sash. That's the top piece, bottom piece. If you have double hung windows, especially those newer windows that fold in, insulated glass, the IGUs, that's gonna cost about $170. I believe, per sash. And then you go into the difficulty of just replacing that one sash, because you gotta, if it's a neighborhood where the builder just built that neighborhood, then you gotta make sure that you have a sticker on the window to order the window. It's just so much hassle in replacing windows unless you're replacing all of them, and then that's a major cost. And then the thing about keeping your windows up also is that your windows keep energy in your home, and it also keeps things out of your home as far as the summer, winter, the heat, and the cold. It keeps cold in, cold out, heat in, heat out. So anyway, moving on. Here are some pictures of a commercial building that I was telling you about where we struggled. If I can get there to clean this glass. It's all on the frames, and this was the hardest part. The bottom edges of the window. And what this actually is, it's like the stucco, the building runoff. When it rains over a period of time, it just runs off. And especially after it was first built, because all that stuff is still fresh. And then it just bakes in the glass. It just bakes in the glass. And some of this stuff was easy to wash off, but a lot of it wasn't. But we were able to do it, as you can see in this next picture. But as I stated earlier, it took going back to the drawing board and getting the right chemicals and things of that nature. And honestly, didn't make what I should have made off of that building, because we didn't know the actual cost or what it was going to take to get it clean, because we were trying to use this. We were trying to use this, and it wasn't cutting corners. It was just what we knew and what we thought would work. And that's just a part of business and learning and growing. So for your hard water stain needs, whether it's shower doors, whether it's your residential or commercial windows, you can give us a call at Premier Window Cleaning. We'll take care of it for you. Know that we're knowledgeable, that we have experience in this area, that we don't cut corners, that we will spend and purchase and buy what will clean your home and take care of it, because we know that your home is your greatest investment. Again, visit us at premierwindowcleaning.com. Here's the website. We do offer, again, a $500 streak-free guarantee. Go through the website. It's actual pictures of the services that we've completed, the jobs that we've done. And I'm James, the owner. I try to be on every job, so I look forward to meeting you, seeing you, giving you an estimate. 803-237-0490 or premierwindowcleaning.com, and just click the contact buttons and send us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you have a blessed day.